The general public thinks of keyboards with keys that light up as children's toys. Unfortunately, the general public are not wrong and one cannot blame them. 99% of keyboards with keys that light up are cheap children's toys. Smash that like button if you agree with me. However, the Yamaha EZ300 over here has a key lighting system, but it isn't a toy. It is a powerhouse and a highly capable keyboard with a unique educational proposition for less than $250. This Yamaha EZ300 is the long-awaited successor to the popular 8-year-old Yamaha EZ220 that was released in 2012. Based on the latest Yamaha PSR-E373 portable keyboard, the EZ300 has the same new innovative features and functions which I will elaborate in detail in this video. I have left links in the description below if you want more detailed information as well as my list of recommended keyboards, digital pianos, and piano learning apps. Let's start with the physical attributes of this keyboard. The Yamaha EZ300 comes with 61 full-size keys with 4 levels of configurable touch sensitivity. The keys, although not weighted, have a firm and assured feel to it throughout the entire length of the keys. I wish the keys had a more matte and textured ivory-like surface rather than a shiny plastic material. The keys light up in red when you press it and also guide you on which keys to press when you play back the built-in 202 songs and exercises. And yes, the key lights can be turned off when you no longer need the musical training wheels. Using an easily available USB cable, you can connect the keyboard to your computer and access an unlimited number of songs freely available on the internet to use with the key lighting system. This is a powerful educational feature which I will elaborate in greater detail later on in this video. I much prefer the silver white chassis of this EZ300 over the boring black PSR-E373. One thing Yamaha hasn't changed is the fabric speaker covers. These fabric covers are dust and pet fur magnets. They are also more delicate than metal or plastic speaker covers. At just above 10 pounds or about 5 kilograms, this EZ300 over here is not as lightweight as the ultra-portable Casio tone keyboards from Casio. For portability, I would have preferred the EZ300 to be powered with a rechargeable USB power bank like the Yamaha PSR series, but this isn't the case. You can power the EZ300 with either 6 AA batteries or an electrical wall outlet. You can plug in a pair of headphones for quiet practice and plug in a pedal which can be used for sustaining the sounds like on an acoustic piano or for triggering various functions. Now let's talk about the sound quality of this keyboard. The Yamaha EZ300 has made leaps and bounds over its predecessor. The Yamaha PSR-E373 has the best piano sound for under $200 and this EZ300 has that same high quality sample too. In fact, in the latest model update, the default piano sample in the EZ300 sounds better than Yamaha's own keyboards costing twice as much. I wish that Yamaha could have upgraded the voice polyphony beyond the current 48 notes to take advantage of these better sound samples. You do get a total of 622 voices in the EZ300 and 11 of these voices use the new super articulation light technology trickled down from Yamaha's $5,000 keyboards. Yamaha's renowned advanced wave modeling sampling technique with their new SA light technology means you get the best sounding grand pianos. electric pianos, and acoustic instruments such as saxophones, flutes, guitars, and strings. All of the 622 voices can also be layered. Split across the keyboard. Or automatically harmonize with chords that you play. Coupled with the 38 new digital signal processing effects and 17 reverbs and choruses, you can shape your own personalized sounds, limited only really by your own imagination and creativity. You can find links to more detailed information about this keyboard in the description below. For those who prefer electronic dance music, the EZ300 comes with 22 drums and sound effects kit. When played along with the many synthesizer sounds and the built-in 150 pattern arpeggiator, you can imagine yourself being in a dance club. This Yamaha EZ300 is an arranger keyboard. This means you can have an entire band to accompany your music just by playing chords on your left hand. The EZ300 comes with a massive 205 rhythm styles covering pop, rock, jazz, ballroom, Latin, and world music. And if you do not know how to set appropriate voices for your music, the EZ300 comes with a one-touch setting that matches appropriate sounds with your selected rhythm automatically. I have built a best-selling beginner keyboard course that teaches you to play your favorite tunes with chords and accompaniment. You can check it out in the description below. I am disappointed though that the chord detection mode in the EZ300 does not have the option to play slash chords or detect chords across the entire keyboard, which is available in every competitor's keyboards in this price range. This rules out the Yamaha EZ300 for use with Trinity College of London's higher grade keyboard exams. Smash that like button if you agree with me. Let's take a closer look at a few of the 7 teaching systems built right inside the Yamaha EZ300, which harness the power of key lighting. The chord dictionary module is useful when you know the name of a chord but do not know how to play it. The Touch Tutor module gives a beginner the visual cue as to how hard or soft they need to play a note for a more musical expression. The chord study and chord progression modules familiarize the student with how various chord quality sounds like, as well as teaching you the chord progression of familiar songs. Yamaha's Keys to Success module allows the student to practice specific phrases of a song before eventually building up the multiple phrases to form a complete song. You get a performance assessment of each stage before you move on to the next. In the listening, timing, and waiting module of the EZ300, you start by listening to a phrase. Then you work on the rhythmic timing of the exercise, and then in step 3, the keyboard will wait for you to press the right notes of the song. But if you have a smartphone or a tablet, you can learn up to 27 songs for free just by downloading one of my recommended piano learning apps in the description below. A USB port that transmits and receives both MIDI and digital audio data is one of the biggest selling points of Yamaha's E-series keyboards, and I am happy to report that this feature is also available on the EZ300. This feature, coupled with Yamaha's Rack and Share app, allows you to record and share high-quality audio and video on social media and messaging platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Keyboards in this price range from other brands only transmit and receive MIDI data and not digital audio. Here are a few things about the Yamaha EZ300 I am disappointed with. With so many ways to configure the sounds, rhythms, and settings on this keyboard, I am disappointed that Yamaha only gives the user 9 registration memory slots, while competitors in this price range have at least 32 presets memory slots. The built-in song recorder continues to be lackluster, with the ability to only record 2 tracks per song, while the competition can record up to 6 tracks for each of your song recordings. The 5-watt speaker system was sufficient in previous models. However, in the current EZ300, the new beautiful sound samples and rhythm accompaniments definitely deserve better amplification than what is on the EZ300. Most people who buy the Yamaha EZ300 are beginners who want to learn how to play the piano or keyboard. For less than $250 you cannot find a more well-rounded package that is both powerful, feature-rich, and extremely easy to use. Although there are a few shortcomings, these are not deal breakers, as a beginner will not need these features till a couple of years down the road. In my opinion, if you don't need the key lighting guide, you can save $50 and just get the Yamaha PSR-E373 But the EZ300 over here with the key lighting system is definitely worth the additional $50 if you are an absolute beginner and have no idea where the middle C note is. Smash that like button if you found my review of the Yamaha EZ300 keyboard to be useful. My name is Jeremy C and I'll see you soon in my next video.